Hey guys, I'm with my boys Mike and Matt at the Willie Social House in the Marietta Square. We're trying out some different foods. Everything looks good. Look at this jambalaya, the catfish and grits, and the pimento cheeseburger with a biscuit. Yeah, we're gonna try this out. And that's Mike. Let's try out this jambalaya. Yeah, got a nice little fat shrimp on there. Bon appetit. Yeah, it was real good. It's got a nice spice and the shrimp is succulent. Let's try some more. And that's good with the andouille sausage on there. Now we're gonna try the pimento cheeseburger. It's different. It has a fried green tomato on there. It's real good. This is one you need to try out. And I mean, now we're hitting up the catfish and grits. And that's really good too. Willie Ray's Social House is a 9 out of 10 for me. What's up, Matt?